Hello, my favorite followers. I just wanted to make a video today talking about Instagram and social media advertising. So I just had a really big weekend. I probably sold over 20 items on my Poshmark, 3 on my eBay. And why did this happen? People are saying it's slow. People are saying they're getting a lot of low balls. And I'm going to tell you right now my secret sauce. It is Instagram. So a lot of my followers and a lot of my reseller friends are from the San Diego area, and many of them are struggling with their sales, and they thrift at the same places I thrift at. They buy things that I buy, and there's no difference between myself and these people. The only difference between myself and a lot of my reseller friends that are struggling is that they do not do social media advertising as well as Instagram advertising as well as YouTube like I do. And there's different reasons. Maybe some people say there's too much drama or it's too much time and different things like that. But I just want to reach out to all of you guys to just say that it is just pivotal for resellers if you want to expand your market and to get more clicks on your Poshmark closets and eBay store, to be on social media. So I get, I don't know, like around 500 clicks a week because of my Instagram following. Whenever I talk about a reseller box, I get sales right away. Whenever I talk about a big sale, I get sales right away. And it is because I'm posting on my Instagram stories, I'm posting on my Instagram wall, I'm posting on my Facebook group, I'm posting on Twitter, on Pinterest, and it's just, you could either wait for the sales or you can go after the sales. So if I had not advertised the heck out of this sale that I recently had, I probably would have had just the 3 sales on eBay. I really think that that would have been the case. But because I advertised about the closet clear out, I started to drop my prices. I started to tell everybody like, hey, I'm having this sale, and posting when I did make a sale, like, oh, this is the big sale that I got. Everybody see this. The other people started posting about my sale, and it just grew exponentially. So if you're watching this and you're a shy person, you're like, well, I'm an introvert, I'm not extroverted like you, I don't want to dance in my pajamas to get attention. I'm not telling you to do that. What I'm saying is that you could do things differently. Like if you want to post your sales, you could just show the clothes. If you want to not show your face, you don't have to be all out there modeling all the Zara clothes or whatever. You could just show pictures of the items. You could just hashtag your information. You could just let people in your community know what you do. You don't have to put your face out there if you are shy and you're an introvert and you don't like to be out there. Or you could be connected to someone who's super social like me, and I'll do the work for you. Like I have a Facebook Christian reseller group, and every Sunday I post one of my members' Instagram into my stories because they're my group and I'm just trying to support them. So if you're also connected to somebody who's like the loud extrovert like me, you could also go that route. And just posting on Instagram, even if it's your items, you could have like a Instagram boutique store. You could do that. Just doing something outside of actually using those avenues of Poshmark and eBay, whether it be Twitter, whether it be YouTube, whether it be Instagram, whether it be, some other kind of outside social platform to bring attention to your store. That's what I'm talking about. On my link tree in my bio, it has my YouTube, my Instagram, my Poshmark, my eBay, and that is to attract more activity to my actual stores. So I hope that you could try to utilize this kind of marketing tool. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a good Sunday. Bye.